Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve an easy problem of LeetCode. The question number is 1450. I have already written some of the points so that the time taken will be less. The question says number of students doing homework at a given time. So basically in this question we have to find the number of students who are doing their homework in a given time, which is here query time. This is here given time. In the question, there are two integer arrays. One is start time and one is end time. So these both are int type array and query time is an integer data type, integer, simply integer value. So the question is that the ith student started doing their homework at the time start time I and finished it at time end time at index I. So here, suppose we have ith student, his time of start will be the value which is present at start time array at index I, and his time of finishing will be the value present at end time array at index I, which means that here we are considering zero based indexing. Let's suppose this is our start time array and this is our end time array. We're considering zero based index. So let's suppose we are talking about first index, means first student. His whatever the value present over here will be the start time of first student, and whatever the value present over here, it will be the end time of the first student. So this is the interval. In that we have to check, does query time lies in that interval or not? Let's suppose consider an example. Student 1 is there. His time of start is equal to t equal to 2 second and time of finish is t equal to 5 second. This is initial time. This is final time. Means 2 comma 5 is the time interval in which the student 1 is doing his homework. And the query time here mentioned is 4 second. We have to check, does 4 lies in this interval? We have to consider extreme values in the interval. Does 4 lies between 2 comma 5? Yes, in 2 comma 5 there are these set of values. Does 4 lies? Yes, it lies. So we have to say yes. If it doesn't lies in the given interval, we have to simply say no. Means simply here we have to check, does query time belongs to ti comma tf interval. The close bracket means that we are assuming the extreme values. Now here in the question, we are given example 1. The start time array is 1, 2, 3, and the end time array is 3 to 7. Here the size is equal to 3, means 3 students are there, namely student 0, student number 1, student number 2, as we are considering zero based indexing. So for student 1, his start time will be t equal to 1 second and his finishing time will be t equal to 3 second. That only I have written here. For student equal to 0, 0th into student, the start time is t equal to 1 second and the finishing time is t equal to 3 second. For student 1, similarly, we can see over here, start time is t equal to 2 second and finishing time is also t equal to 2 second. And for student number 2, that is our last student, third student, t equal to 3 second is the start time and t equal to 7 second is the ending time. This is Ti and this is Tf. And query time, here we can see this query time equal to 4. We have to check, does 4 lies in this interval? No. Does 4 lies in this interval? No. Does 4 lies in this interval? Yes, 4 lies over here. In 3 comma 7, 4 is present. So how many students are there who uh, in their homework time interval query time lies? So there is only one student in the interval of his finishing and starting homework. 4 is lying. So we have to return 1. Output is equal to 1. Let's consider one more example. In this, what we have given? We have given only one element, means only we are considering about one student. Start time equal to 4, end time equal to 4, and query time here is also 4. So the interval becomes for student 0. His start time is t equal to 4 second. T equal to 4 second is the finish time. Ti, Tf, and query time equal to 4. Does 4 lies in this interval? Yeah, we have to consider the extreme values. So 4 lies. Yes. So how many students are there? Satisfying the given condition? Only one. So we have to simply return the output equal to 1. Means here the main key point is that we can absorb from above examples that query time is always greater than or equal to start time. It is always true, and it is also less than or equal to end time. Here we can see start time is 4, end time is 4, query time is 4. Here in this both are equal, means start time equal to query time and end time equal to query time. In the given above condition, we can see in 3 comma 7 interval, query time is 4 and start time is 3, means 4 is always greater than or equal to 3, and 4 is always less than equal to 7. Then only we are going to say that 4 lies in this interval. And here we are successfully saying that 4 lies in this interval. So for this, we will be considering a for loop. In that we will be checking our condition. Let suppose this is the start time array. This is end time array. 1, 2, 3. 3 to 7. We will set an pointer I, which will point to 0th index initially, and we will increment randomly by 1 in every state, and query time equal to 4. So what we will do, we'll write for int I equal to 0, I less than start time dot size. We can use here end time dot size also, because the size of both array will be same, and simply I plus plus. What we gonna check? We have to check that does query time lies in this given interval for this set of values. So for that we will check query time should be greater than equal to start time, and is here must. Query time is less than equal to end time at index I. At index is equal to I. Here we will checking. If this so, simply we will say that yeah, the given condition is satisfied. So count that student. The student is satisfying the given condition. So we will simply count plus plus. Initially we will set an count equal to 0, and after the for loop gets over, means we have traversed the whole array. We are left with the number of students satisfying the given condition. We'll simply return count. Here we can see this is the code which I have submitted few time ago. This is code int count equal to 0. For int I equal to 0, I less than start time I plus plus. If query time is greater than equal to start time and query time less than equal to end time, simply count plus plus. And in last, when the for loop gets over, means we have traversed the whole array, simply return our count. So thank you. This was the solution for question number 1450, which was number of students completing their homework at a given time. Please consider like my channel, subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you.